Alright guys, here we are approaching the Bell Buckle Fosterville Road railroad crossing here near Bell Buckle, Tennessee. The train most likely going to be going through because it was going through Jarman Road and the train wasn't even done yet. We didn't see the end. So I figured he's probably still going through here. This will be the last video of the night, 100%. Time is 11:01. We've been chasing this train since 10:30. Yeah, ever since around 10:30 we've been chasing this train. I'm assuming he's gonna be up here, I'm pretty sure. I think I can hear him. Yep, there he is. There's a DPU. I wasn't able to get a picture of, unfortunately. Nice one. Here's the end right here. There you go. Peace out, guys.